afternoon, everybody. It's MrDoTheMath here, and we are still converting. All right. So now we're doing. We're finding the area for inconsistent values. So if you notice this, we need to find the area of this rectangle, but the units are different. All right. They want us to find the area in inches squared, right? Is that right?
Yes.
So in order to find the area in inches squared, we need to convert 6.1 yards to inches. Now, if you look at your your conversion sheet, you probably will find that for yards there is no straight conversion to inches, is there?
Nah.
No. So because there is no straight conversion to inches, we have to look and see what does convert to inches. If you look at there, what conversion do you have for inches?
A foot.
You have feet to inches, right? There's 12 inches in okay, so there's 12 inches in a foot, right? 1 foot equals 12 inches. What other conversion do you have?
Yards and feet.
No, just for inches. What else converts to inches?
Inch and centimeters.
Centimeters. There's 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. Alright? Now, if you go over to yards, what conversions do we have for yards?
Feet.
Oh, for yards we can convert to feet. Right? Yeah. And then from feet, there is a conversion of feet to inches. So that's how we'll get to inches. We'll go from yards to feet to inches. Okay? So, first things first, what's the conversion? How many feet are in a yard?
3.
1 yard equals 3 feet. Okay? Now, remember I talked about, you're looking at, are we going from big units to small units or small units to big units?
Big to small.
We're going big to small. Since we're going big to small, we're going to multiply. So we got 3 feet up here, and we got 1 yard, right? So we have to multiply 6.1 times 3.
18.3.
18.3. So you get 18.3 feet now, because there's no more yards, right? And then we're going to go from feet to inches. There is 12 inches in a foot. Again, we're going from big feet to inches, right? Big to small, so we're going to multiply. So there is 12 inches in 1 foot, so it's going to be 12 at the top, and there's 1 foot at the bottom, okay? And this is just the beginning. So that's 18.3 times 12, which is?
219.6.
219.6 inches. Now we have all the conversions that we need. We needed to change 6.1 yards to inches. And so now this is, said 219.6 inches. Okay? Now we can find the area. Area equals base times height. The base is 28. The height is 219.6. And when you multiply these, you get what?
6,148.8.
6,148.8 inches squared. Okay? So that's what we did. So we went from yards to feet to inches. Okay? That's what we did. So it's 6.1 times 3 times 12 inches to give us the inches that we need. Okay? Now let's jump to this problem. We have a square here. All the sides are equal, right? In that, we need to convert square to inches, centimeters to inches, because we have to find our area in inches squared. Okay? So there's 18 centimeters here, and we're going from centimeters to inches. Are we going from big to small, small to big?
Small to big. Small to big.
Small to big. So since we're going small to big, we have to divide. So is there a conversion from centimeters to inches or inches to centimeters?
Yeah.
Yeah. How many centimeters make an inch?
2.5.
2.54 centimeters equals 1 inch. And we're going from centimeters to inch. So inches are at the top, centimeters are at the bottom. Again, you guys said that you divide, and so that's what you'll do. So that's 18 divided by 2.54, which is
7.08.
7.08 inches. So 18 centimeters is 7.08 inches, right? Now, we have a square here. So to find the area of a square, all the sides are equal, so we just do side square. Thus, our answer will be what? 7.08 to the second power. 7.08 to the second power is equal to what?
501.
5.
264.
Say it again.
501, 264.
501, 264. That sounds too big.
50.22.
Thank you.
Oh, I squared it.
50.22. Yes, it's 7.08
Oh.
to the second power.
Oh,
Okay, so that is inches squared.
I ain't hit the decimal.
You didn't hit the decimal. Okay, understood. Understood. Are we good so far?
Yep.
And for the last one, so that's what, 12, that's 14, and what's the other one? Number 7. Alright, in number 7, what were we dealing with? What did number 7 say?
0.68 meters.
0.68 meters, and we were converting meters to what?
Inches.
We're going from meters to inches. Now, is that big to small, small to big?
Big, small.
Big to small, so we're going to do what?
Multiply.
We're going to multiply. Now, is there a conversion in place for meters to inches?
No.
No. So let's think about these inches. What conversions do we have for inches? We have inches going from inches to what? We got inches going to centimeters, and we have inches going to feet, right? Millimeters, we cool with the centimeters. We're all right with the centimeters, okay? Now, within between these two, do you have a conversion from meters to centimeters?
Yeah.
Yes, you do. So let's deal with this one then, okay? So 1 meter equals how many centimeters?
100.
100. So we're going to multiply this by 100 centimeters, right? 0.68 meters times centimeters, right? And then to get to inches, we would do what? Now, from centimeters to inches, that's small to big, big to small.
Big.
Big to do what? Is it big to small or small to big?
Hold on, say it again.
Centimeters to inches.
Big. Oh, that's small to
Small,
big.
big.
Small to big.
Small to big. So what are we doing?
We divide.
We're dividing. So we gotta have centimeters at the bottom. How many centimeters are in an inch?
2.5.
Yeah, 2.54.
2.54. Right. So you're gonna multiply 0.68 times 100 and then divide by 2.54.
68.
Oh, we just have.
It is.
We just have to.
26.277.
Say it again, Derek.
26.77.
26.77. Right. So this times 100 is 68, and you divided 68 by 2.54. Right. And that's how we got this. And that's our conversion. And this is in inches, right?
Yep.
There you go. Okay.
Hey, we gotta do it on our test, right?
You're gonna have to do the same test, yes.
Nah, I'm talking about like put the labels on.
Yeah, you're gonna have to put the labels. I need the labels. Right. That's the point of all of this stuff. That's why we're doing all this stuff. So you need that. All right. Any more questions? We good?
Yeah.
All right. Mr. Nelson out.